Welcome to the Setup module of TTPay, the backbone of accurate payroll processing. In this module, we explore the essential setup elements that must be completed before running your first payroll. These configurations ensure that every earning, deduction, bank file, and statutory calculation operates with accuracy, consistency, and full compliance. Before we explore each component, let's first look at how the Setup menu organizes these configurations within the system. The Setup menu organizes all foundational configurations into 5 key groups: General, Compensation, Employee, Statutory, and System. Within these groups are the tables and tools that define how TTPay functions and how payroll calculations are performed. In this video, we focus on several core components used across payroll departments, such as departments, the earnings and deductions tables, statutory tables, and banking information. We begin with the structure used to organize employees within the system. To access the department dialog, go to Setup, General, Organization, and Department. The department dialog allows your organization to group employees in a structured and logical way. Using a 6-character workgroup code along with a description, you can define an unlimited number of departments and assigned employees directly within this screen. This structure supports reporting, payroll organization, and internal management across the system. With departments in place, the next step is defining how employees are compensated through the earnings table. To access the earnings table, go to Setup, Compensation, Earnings, and then click Earnings Table. The earnings table is where earning categories used by your organization are defined. TTPay supports an unlimited number of earning types, including salaries, overtime, allowances, and bonuses. Each earning begins with a sorting order, which determines how the item appears on the employee's payslip. Next, taxation rules are defined to control how the earning is treated during statutory calculations. Finally, the standard setting identifies whether the earning represents a recurring payment. General ledger account references are also assigned to ensure proper accounting integration. Common examples include monthly salary, sick leave, and paid vacation. Once earnings are configured, payroll must also account for deductions. To access the deductions table, go to Setup, Compensation, Deductions, and Deductions table. The deductions table provides the same level of flexibility as the earnings table. Statutory deductions are already pre-configured, and organizations can add an unlimited number of additional deductions as needed. These may include health plans, vehicle taxes, uniform deductions, and company loans. For each deduction, you can define the sorting order, employer contribution percentages where applicable, and the related general ledger expense and payables accounts. This ensures that all deductions are calculated correctly and posted accurately to the accounting system. These earnings and deductions also connect directly to the organization's accounting structure through the General Ledger table. To access the General Ledger table, go to Setup, System, Accounting, and click GL Table. TTPay allows all General Ledger accounts to be predefined directly within the system. When payroll is exported, each earning and deduction automatically maps to its corresponding General Ledger account. This integration simplifies reconciliation and helps maintain consistency between payroll and financial software. Another important part of payroll processing is how employee payments are delivered. To access banking configuration, go to Setup, General, and Bank. The banking system in TTPay comes fully pre-configured with all local banks and branches within the Trinidad and Tobago Automated Clearinghouse network. Branch references and routing numbers are already included, allowing bank files to be generated quickly and accurately. If a new branch becomes available, it can easily be added to the system. With banking information configured, the final step is reviewing the statutory tables that ensure payroll compliance. To access the statutory tables, go to Setup and select Statutory. From there, choose Pay as you Earn table, NIS table, or Health Surcharge table as needed. TTPay statutory tables form the core of payroll compliance. Each table is preloaded with the latest statutory requirements and maintained centrally to ensure accuracy. The Pay as you Earn table includes tax brackets for all pay cycles, including monthly, fortnightly, and weekly. Updates are managed by the TTPay team and customers receive them automatically once connected to the server. The NIS table includes predefined contribution classes for different pay frequencies and earning categories. The health surcharge table automatically links contribution amounts to the applicable pay cycle. Together, these statutory engines power TTPay's automated calculations, ensuring that every payroll run remains accurate and compliant. These configuration tables form the foundation of TTPay's reliability. By defining earnings, deductions, departments, banking details, and statutory rules upfront, your organization ensures accurate and consistent payroll every pay cycle. Thank you for exploring the setup engine behind TTPay, the system designed to deliver precision, compliance, and effortless payroll performance. TTPay, simply better payroll.